Hello everyone, welcome to elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is October the 5th and the chart of the day today is the euro dollars right here. So we can see right here that we ended with 2 in the minute degree, with 3, with 4 also completed. That means we are in the wave 5. Within the wave 5, we might still extend lower, right? This is 105. Now doing a 205 in the form of a 7 swing. A 7 swing is technically a double zigzag, right? So you have the first zigzag here and then looking for another zigzag here to finish this with Y of 2 before it turns lower again. So the key level in the shorter cycle 106.19. As long as we stay below here, we still have a chance to extend lower. Now, I think US dollar is still, I think it's very tricky, guys. It's kind of difficult, and I will go over a couple of different options and just the logic behind it so that you guys understand what are the possible paths and also why the bias for now is still to the downside. Okay, so all right, so first of all, let's try to measure the possible target here. The WX 100% is going to be 105.60 all the way up to 1.618, which is exactly at the invalidation level. So this is the possible area where the rally may fail, 105.60, 106.18. So now let me zoom out on the daily and give you some ideas about the possible path. Here is the daily time frame, right? So you can see we've been declining since July 18, right? It's been almost like a 3 months decline. Now, if you look at this structure here, now you can see, I think the best sort of what we call a connector is somewhere here, right? That should be, that's kind of like the biggest swing that we saw here. Now, if we do it that way, if we measure the extension here, now you notice we already more or less hitting the 100%, meaning we have hit the minimum, right? So if you consider this as a 3 swings down, then technically this is a possible target to finish the 3 swings down. Now, if you think this is a 5 waves down, then this is a wave 3, can go all the way to 1.618, can go to 101 and even lower. If you are very bearish the euro and very bullish the dollar, that will be what you are expecting. It goes all the way down to 101.20, possibly in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and continues to go down, right? Now again, whether it is a 1, 2, 3 or whether this is a corrective 3 swings, if it is a 1, 2, 3, then you should always pass through this area anyway. And if it is a corrective 3 waves, then this is the possible target, right? Now I think it is futile when you see something like this to try to say, oh, okay guys, we finished, we already formed the low, formed the bottom, right? Now typically real traders will see significant evidence to say, okay, the cycle is complete. Now how do we know the cycle is complete and the euro is not going to make another low? Well, you use this, like simple trend line like this, a bearish trend line. If euro continues to rally and close above it, then you can start saying, okay, well, this cycle looks completed since it breaks the bearish channel, and then therefore now I'm not looking for another leg down. So maybe we either go to new high. If it breaks above, we either go to new high, or we at least do a bigger 3-ish rally like this before going down again, right? But again, until you see significant evidence, you don't say prematurely, okay, well, it's done, guys, and we are I don't know, we're gonna rally big time or something like that, right? So that's why the bias at the moment, at least when we are looking at the shorter cycle, is on the downside. Why? Because we've been declining since 3 months ago, and there's no significant evidence to say we are done in any meaningful way. So that means again, the expectation is that any rally should continue to fail, because why not? Why do we expect this is starting a new big rally in the upside when there is no significant evidence to say so, right? So, and then plus in reality, I think this area here is a big area. So it's not like, oh, we hit 104.40 precisely to the tick and then we have to rally higher. No, we can extend lower, deeper in the blue box to 104, 103. I mean, the range, look at this, 104.40 to 101 is a big range, 300 pips range here. So that's why the buy is still to the upside, to the downside. Now, what about alternates? Well, alternates can be that if you look again on the daily, right? So if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then let's assume this is this is bullish, right? So that means this is a B. Now, if you're bearish, then you put it as a 2. No problem, right? Doesn't matter, B or 2. And this is A or 1. Right? So, let's put down the 2, which is around, what is it, like 107.37? 107.37, 107.37, say somewhere here, right? This is a 2, this is a 1, right? And according to the 1 hour, this is a 3, this is a 4, right? Now, I think another possible option, which is very, very possible, is a simple adjustment. So you rally in a bigger rally in 3 waves, maybe hitting this trend line again and go down again, and then I simply move from the 1 into here and the 3 and the 4 here, nothing changing, still equally credible, still equally valid, right? All it does is just we're gonna get a bigger rally here and might potentially break 106.19. So that's what it means. 106.19 might be broken. Now even 106.19 probably is not going to be broken. I mean, it can retest, but because it breaks above here, then probably it's going to break above the trend line, which is what you don't want to see, right? So you can get a bigger rally within the wave 4. So you shift the 4 and the 3 just slightly like this, and it doesn't change the entire idea. Then as long as we continue to stay below the bearish trend line, there's no reason for you to say it is complete and we're going to rally higher. And therefore, the default expectation is that any rally should fail in the sequence of 3 swing or 7 swing. Now we got these 3 swings. Now we're looking for 7 swing. This is the potential area where we're going to fail. 105.60, 106.18. Now we're going to update again as always if market changes, we break above the trend line, things like that, then we're going to continue to update. But for now, that's what we are looking at, right? As always, if you want to get more updates on the euro, dollars, or any other forex commodities indices, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. I'll see you guys again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.